What's going on, YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and if this video look kind of weird because I'm recording on my Note 9 because I guess my camera not working like it's supposed to. So right now I'm recording on my Note 9. So today I have an unboxing for you guys of a zerolemon iPhone XS Max extended battery from zerolemon. I got it because I'm tired of my battery going dead, and I hate plugging the phone up in here in the charging port. I don't know why, I just don't like it. And I usually wireless charge my phone, but it takes a little while to charge up. So I got this zerolemon battery, so the phone should last me for like 2 days because it's a 5,000 milliamp battery. So yeah, let's get into it. Where I got it. First, let me show you where I got it from. Got it from Amazon for $30. $29.99. $30. See, there we go. And it came today. I already took it out the box. As you can see, this part right here, the box, because y'all don't need to see all that. So if the viewing looks kind of weird, just bear with me until I get my camera back up and running, and then I'll make some better videos. And just watch the Crown Vic. Some videos on the Crown Vic coming soon of me fixing it. Like I told you in a previous video of the Nintendo Switch unboxing, I got to buy some bushings or sway bar bushing links or whatever it's called. And I'm gonna record myself doing that. So let's get into this unboxing real quick. So zerolemon 5,000 milliamp battery backup extended battery. Now I was gonna get the one from Apple, but $139 was kind of steep. Like, I want to get it, but I'm gotta push myself to get it because there's other batteries out there that works just as good as that one. I haven't seen anybody with that battery. I haven't even touched that battery yet. Don't even feel like going to the Apple store and seeing it because I just think $129 for a case, extended battery case, just, I don't know. When zerolemon got the same ones, and it'll do the same as that. So let's get into this one. Let me open this part. Ain't got no nails, so there we go. Nice little presentation here. Your little Ziploc sandwich bag. Okay, this is what the battery pack is in. Let me open this and shake it out of there. So there ain't nothing in there. Nope. So that's the side. Let's open it. Okay, got the zerolemon, zero defects. 100% zerolemon promise to you. Okay, I think a warranty card. Yeah. Okay, review on Amazon. Okay, I'm gonna leave a review soon. And got the instruction manual. Tell you, I guess, how to put it in and charge it. You can pause that and read it for yourself. Backside shows you how to put it in and everything. Pause that, read it for yourself. Okay. Got the zerolemon. I think this is the free 12 months extended warranty. Damn, are you serious? 12 months. Okay, I'm gonna do that just in case something go wrong. Okay, then it says win-free products and enjoy exclusive deals by following us on social media. Okay, gotta keep that. Okay, they stand by their product. Okay, now they go the case itself. 5,000 milliamps, as you can see down there. This is the charging pin. Don't break that because you're gonna be assed out. In the bottom, it takes I think this is a US. Oh nope, the regular iPhone charger. And back here is a button that you push and see how much juice you got left, which is 2. So this should be 50 or 60. I really don't know. I'm gonna charge it. Then got the zerolemon branding right there with the lemon with a slice through the middle. Got the camera lens cut out for the camera. And on this side, got the power button. Wait, yep, the power button. On this side, got the vibration on and off switch, and the up and down volume controls. So let me take the case off of this phone real quick. Okay. Let me slide it in here. Okay, make sure you slide it directly with these pins. You don't want to break it. There we go. And that's it. And you can see it's charging. Hold on, let me get this off. And you see it's charging. Hold on. It was playing some music. Okay, I just had to open the phone. And it's charging. As you can see in the corner right here, it's charging. And to turn the case off, I think you hold it. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, that turned. I guess it turns it off. Okay, that turns it off. Holding it and then push it and hold it again and hold it for 3 seconds, I think. I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit because I really don't know how to turn. Oh, there we go. You just push it and hold it for a couple of seconds and it turns back on the charger. And we got 2 lights left. So what I'm gonna do is see, I'm gonna charge is fully complete, and then I'm gonna put my phone in it and see how long it takes to charge and how does it work out for power users. Like, I'm not a power user, but I'm always recording videos of certain things like my car or other things. I just don't upload them to YouTube. I just record them, taking pictures of my kids and other stuff like that. So I'm gonna put this to the test. Be on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, all that. And it drains your battery kind of fast. So, and I'll be watching YouTube videos constantly. So I'm gonna put it to the test, and then I'm gonna let y'all know how it is. And it's 86% charge, and hit that. It shows you how many miles right there. So I guess this gonna be, it's not even that heavy. It's kind of heavy, but not that heavy. And it feels good in the hand. Like, I was wondering about how is it gonna feel. Like, it's not too bulky. Like, the Apple battery charger is not that bulky either, but like I said before, $127 and $30 for a zerolemon that can do the same thing as that one. And I'm scared about the battery one because they said that it knows when your phone is fully charged, it automatically cuts off and won't charge it. I don't know, but I might get it. I don't know yet. And then I'm definitely not getting that white one. That's one I'm not getting. I might just get the black one, or if I wish Apple make a blue one or a red one, it'd be nice. But until then, I'm gonna use this one. As you see, it's still charging. Feel good in the hands. Buttons is easy to push. Okay, let me put my code in. See the volume button, the on and off switch. I ain't got no nails, so I don't know if I can click that. Oh, yep, there we go. That works. Let's see the camera. Okay, let's see the camera. Make sure I got no pictures on there. Okay, everything works. Okay, so well, guys, this was my unboxing video for the zerolemon case from Amazon for $30. I hope you guys enjoy. Please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and get the bell notification because videos is finna start coming right now. So like I said before, Crown Vic videos is finna come back. It's finally not raining. It's not that damn cold, so time to repair. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace.